Hello everyone, my name is Ruraola and you are welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, I explained three things you should do if you do not have an HR yet, or you don't even need an HR department or a full-time HR person if you can put those three things in place. But today we are going to be talking about another interesting topic, and the topic is 5 signs you now need an HR, whether an in-house HR or an outsourced HR. So let's get into the video. So the number one sign that you now need an HR department or an HR person or an outsourced HR is onboarding chaos. If your onboarding is chaotic, the staff come in, they don't know what to do. In their first few days, they don't know what to do. They are not aligned with your business due to maybe you don't have time to actually put them through and onboard them very well. Then you might need a dedicated HR person to be handling this. Second one is lack of role clarity. If everybody in your team are having their jobs interwoven into one another, the person taking order is also the same person taking cash, the person doing procurement is also the accountant, and all of that. There's a lot of role overlap, and maybe it's even making your staff to push responsibility to each other. Oh, it's not my job, it's that person's job. So if there's no role clarity, you need an HR person to come in at this time to help you craft JDs for all the different functions that you have in your business. You need an HR person now to come in and help you do a sort of job analysis, create JDs, and help you segregate every role, every task into where they are supposed to be, and everybody will know what they are supposed to do, and there won't be an overlap or pushing blames among your team. So the third point will be on pay disputes. So if your staff is always saying, oh madam or God, that's not what we bargained, that was not what we agreed on, my salary is not complete, or I'm supposed to get commission, you are not paying me commission. So we are already experiencing this sort of disputes around payments. It might be time to bring an HR person in to help you design your salary structure, have a pay schedule, have a documented salary that you give, that everybody will know, everybody will have signed at their point of entry. So nobody will be coming later on to say they do not, their pay is not complete or something. So you should look out for this. If you're already dealing with pay disputes, it might be time to bring an HR person into your business. So the other one is performance discussion. If you are afraid to give performance feedback to your team, maybe because, I don't know if I should call it shyness, or you don't want to step on toes, it might be time to bring a dedicated HR person that will be handling performance management for you. So this person will set KPIs, we help the team leads and everybody in the business set up KPIs, all the things that you agree upon. So this person will be able to help and help you give regular feedback on the performance of your team. So the last but not the least sign that you need an HR in your business now is compliance anxiety. So if you are not sure whether you are doing it the right way, if you are not sure if your employment contracts that you are giving to your new hires, to your staff, if you are not sure whether they are compliance with the labor law, if you are not sure of your disciplinary to handle disciplinary issues in your business, or a lot of other compliance issues around regulatory issues, around termination, around benefits, around leave. So if you are not sure whether you are doing it the right way in terms of compliance, it might be time to bring in an HR professional to help you put all these things in place. So all of these things might be overwhelming for only you as a business owner to handle by yourself. You're already dealing with the strategic aspects of your business, how the business will grow, how you will increase revenue, and all of that. So adding people management issue to it might be a lot. So if you have started seeing all these signs in your business, it might just be time to bring an HR person into the business, or just outsource it to an agency that will be handling the people management part of your business. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find that helpful, like, share, and subscribe to this channel to know when I drop insightful videos such as this to help you manage your people better and maximize the people in your business. Till I come your way again, my name is Muraola. Stay locked to this channel, and I will see you again. Bye.